Hey, I've done a video on Akuma Reels, the free spool sound test, but I've never done anything on Sougayilang or other bait feeding reels that I have. Unfortunately, my Sougayilang collection does not have a whole lot. I only have two reels for that, but I also have a couple from a company called ReelsKing I ordered directly from China. I mean, these prices aren't too bad. It's like 19, 20 bucks for the 6000. Like 16, 17 bucks for the 4000, and they're not bad reels. I mean, not great, but not bad either. But for the price, it's free shipping and everything. So, the only thing you have to do is wait a little bit longer than you would from, local North American companies. Anyway, so let's take a look at the sound and listen to the Sougayilang SA-4000. Okay, the drag sounds like this. All right, free spool. That's pretty good. Not bad. All right, let's listen to the KT-3000. Okay, drag. Drag's pretty noticeable. Free spool. That's pretty good. Kind of cuts out there. I wonder why. Let's try that again. Yeah, sounds pretty good. It's not as loud as the SA-4000. Okay, let's take a listen to the KC-6000. Okay, the drag sounds like this. Pretty good. All right, free spool. Oh yeah, that's good. That's nice and loud. I think it's better than my Akumas. Okay, and the 4000, the KC-4000. Drag. It's pretty loud there, pretty good. And free spool. Oh yeah, that sounds great. Now, I don't know if this is a design issue or whatever, but, I know a lot with other bait feeder reels I have, that the drag sound and the free spool sound are very different. The drag sound being a lot louder than the free spool. Why can't it be the other way around? Why can't the free spool be louder and the drag not so loud? And when you're fighting a fish and you got the drag going, you can hear it. Okay, you can already hear it. You're right there on top of it. But when you got it on free spool or bait feeder enabled, you got the rod set down somewhere. Sometimes it's anywhere from a few feet away to 10, 15 feet away. So you need the bait feeder free spool sound to be as loud as possible. So why can't it be the loudest and the drag, being lower in volume? Like I said, I don't know if it's a design or engineering or mechanical issue or not, but that's my thought. So anybody watching this that designs bait feeding spinning reels, keep that in mind, for future designs or whatever. Anyway, I think the KC-6000 is definitely the loudest of all the bait feeder reels, including the Akumas I got. I mean, that's great. So, and the drag. Yeah, that's awesome. So, the SA-4000 from Sougayilang is the loudest, and the KC-6000 from ReelsKing is the winner by far of all these guys here. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah!